Hello students of Delisle, this is Mr. Jackson again with another guide. In this particular guide we're going to look at how you can download and edit documents that your teachers have shared with you. So this is obviously more applicable to some subjects than others, because some teachers are just going to give you activities that you can complete in your exercise book, but then for subjects like computer science and maybe some others, there's going to be files that you need to work on and edit on your computer and then re-upload into the hand-in folder. So before we start, it's worth noting that when you are looking at the shared resources on the OneDrive, you can obviously view all of these files, but what you can't do is edit them. So if we look in the Year 7 folder here, this is a booklet I need all the Year 7s to have, but you can't edit that document. So with any of these files, if you want to change them and add to them, you will need to download it, edit it on your computer and save it on your computer. Alternatively, you can store it on your OneDrive, but we'll look at the easier way first. So in order to download and edit them, you need to make sure that you have Office on your computer at home. So some of you may have Office already installed on your computers at home, and that's fine. You'll be able to change and edit these documents. If you don't have Office installed on your computer at home, then you can actually install it for free as part of your Office 365 account. So to do that, if you go to the Office 365 homepage here, so if you're not sure how to get to this page, you can sign into Office 365 the same way as shown in that guide before, and if it takes you to your Outlook first, then click on the dots and just make sure you go to Office 365 and it'll bring you to this home page. And then from here you should get an option to install Office onto your computer at home. It's completely free. You get it as being part of a student at Delisle. So obviously when you click on install, it'll take you through a set of instructions. You have to follow those. You'll need to sign in as well using your school email and password, but it should allow you to install Office from home. This is the easiest way, and this means that you can download files, edit them on your computer, and it's just a lot easier doing it that way. So once you've got Office installed and you want to complete some of the work that's been set for you, this is how you go about it. So go to the folder that's been shared, so we've got Year 7, and then find the file that you want to be working on. So Year 7s this week and in the coming weeks need to complete work into this booklet. So we tick the Word document, and then we should get an option to download. So now go to my documents on my computer. I'll put it into downloads because I've got lots of files in there. But anyway, set up a folder system. So here you can see I've got ones for different subjects. Go to my correct subject, and then I'm going to save that document in there. And I'm going to put my initials on the end of it as well, so that when I hand it in, it doesn't get confused with anybody else's work. Okay, so I've downloaded it, and then I can open that document on my computer at home. I can put my name in, and obviously I can edit it, I can save it, and all of this is happening on my computer at home. So this is what you need to do if you want to edit documents that the teachers are sharing with you. And then once you've saved it on your computer, you can then hand this document back in on the website by going to the submission folder, the appropriate year group, the appropriate class, and then you can hand in by dragging that file onto the folder if your teacher wants you to hand it in. Okay, so give that a try.